Hello and welcome to this exercise on prime factors, prime numbers, factors, multiples, and products. We've been required to express 420 as a product of prime factors. Now, the first prime number is 2, so can we divide 420 by 2? And the answer is yes. And if you divide 420 by 2, you get 210. Again, the same question. Can we divide 210 by 2? The answer is yes. And then if you divide 210 by 2, you get 105. And then the same question again. Can we divide 105 by 2? No, because 105 is an odd number. So we cannot divide 105 by 2. The next prime number is 5. Now, can we divide, the next prime number is 3. Can we divide 105 by 3? The answer is yes, because if you add 1 to 0 to 5, you get 6. And 6 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, we can divide 105 by 3. So, divided by 3, you get 35. Now, still with 3. Can we divide 35 by 3? The answer is no, because 3 plus 5 will give us 8, and 8 is not a multiple of 3. Now, because this ends in 5, we can divide this number by 5. So if you divide 35 by 5, you end up with 7. And that we stop, because 7 is a prime number. So in effect, 420 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7, as we've got here. Now, if we collect like terms, 2 times 2 is 2 squared. So 420 is 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. And that's the answer for the first one. Now, for 2,100, now in the exam, if you got out in the exam, there's something, there's a sort of relationship between 420 and 2,100. Because I know that 2,100 is a multiple of 420. So, I know that 420 times 5 will give me 2,100. So, in effect, if you now multiply all of these by 5, you should get 2,100. So, that's what I've done here. And when you open up the bracket, this then becomes 2 squared times 3 times 5 squared times 7, because you got an extra 5 there. Because 5 times 5 is 5 squared. Now, moving on. Now, we want to find 420 squared. So, we know that 420 is 2 squared times 3 times 5 times 7. So, if you then square that, because 420 squared becomes all that squared, you end up with 2 times 2 will give you 2 to the power 4. 2 times 1, because there's a 1 to the power 1, just give you 3 to the power 2. 2 times 1 will give you 2 there. And 2 times 4 will give you 2 there. So, 420 squared then becomes 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared times 5 squared and times 7 squared. Now, I hope all that made sense, and please subscribe. It's nice. I hope that's been useful, and see you again sometime.